In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a view once only photo on WhatsApp. This feature is perfect when you want to share a sensitive or temporary image that shouldn't stick around in the chat or anyone's photo gallery. I will walk you through the process and point out what to expect when you use it. First, open WhatsApp and go into the individual or group chat where you want to send the photo. You can choose any existing conversation or start a new one, just make sure you are in the correct chat before you proceed. Next, tap the attach button, which usually looks like a paperclip, or tap the camera icon if you want to take a new picture on the spot. If you choose the paperclip, select the photo from your gallery that you'd like to send. If you pick the camera, snap the picture you want to share and confirm it. Take a moment to double-check the image, because the whole point here is that it can be viewed only once. Before you hit send, look at the caption area. You'll see a small one icon in or near the caption box. Tap that one icon to set the photo to view once. When this is enabled, WhatsApp makes it clear that the image will be viewable a single time by the recipient. If you change your mind, you can tap the icon again to turn view once off, but make sure your setting is correct before sending. Now, tap the send button. On the recipient's end, the image will appear with a view once indicator. When they open it, they will be able to view the photo just once. As soon as they close it, the photo disappears from the chat and can't be opened again. A few important points to keep in mind. Recipients cannot save forward or take screenshots of view once media. That means the image won't be stored in their photos or gallery, and it won't be shareable from the chat. This helps protect your privacy. Still, always share thoughtfully. Someone could, for example, point another device at the screen. If you are curious about what happens after it's opened, you will see that the message changes to show it's been viewed and it's no longer accessible. If the recipient never opens it, it stays as a view once message until they do. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.